Welcome to our live TV tutorial video. Today, we will uncover the wonders of IPTV. First, head over to 2tv.store for IPTV. 2TV offers a variety of IPTV services. Let's go through the simple installation process. Begin by choosing your ideal IPTV plan. Once chosen, make your purchase through the website. Now, let's download the necessary application. Follow the on-screen instructions for installation. It's almost time to enjoy your live TV. But wait, let's pause for a moment. Have you heard about Nancy from customer support? Nancy is available to assist with installation. Simply reach out and ask about her. Nancy's help ensures a smooth setup experience. Now let's return to the installation process. After installation, open the IPTV application. Log in with your account credentials provided. Buckle up, your live TV journey is about to begin. Explore your channel lineup and enjoy. Remember, Nancy is just a click away. Thank you for watching our tutorial today. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Enjoy your live TV adventures with IPTV.